Hello, darlings.
Here are some options from Amazon. Just type silk scarf.
This show was inspired by an article written by the Trend Spotter. They state that scarves are an accessory that will be popular in spring 2021. I thought, well, how many ways can you wear a scarf? Let's get into it.
Yes, ma.
Style 1. As a shirt. Since low-rise jeans are making an unexpectedly expected comeback, here's a shirt to modernize the 90s favorite. To see how I tie this scarf, visit my Instagram at thefaceofebony_. Style 2. As a simple head covering.
You gon' be great with your lavender. Go!
Simply place a long length scarf on your head and toss both sides of the scarf over your shoulder. Style 3. As a head bow. Embrace your inner childlike creativity. Tie it up around the perimeter of your head like a bow. So darling. Achieve this look by bringing the scarf in from the back under your hair and tie it up around the perimeter of your head. Style 4. A second style head covering. Tight and knotted in the back like a low bun hairstyle. Twist the ends around each other, then twist it into a low bun. This is giving Amish vibes. Does anybody else want potato salad? Style 5. Like a headband. Wrap a long length scarf around your edges. Tie it in the back once tight. Then let the ends hang. You can even flip it like hair. Style 6. A do-rag. Inspired by Rihanna and the Ratchet Empath, follow her on Insta. Wearing a do-rag that matches the material or color of your dress is such an edgy way to spice up an outfit. This look is best with long hair. Style 7. As a belt. Did you notice? It adds a pop of color and print to a simple jean shorts look. A laid-back style with a twist. Like using avocado in your toast instead of butter. Thank you all for coming to the show. Did I miss any other styles? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video. Comment below what your favorite look was from the show. If you have any tips or suggestions, please leave a comment. Tell me what you liked and tell me what you didn't like. Respectfully, of course. Educate, not humiliate. And subscribe. Have a darling day.